Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss what to do if you pick the wrong data type for your DataVerse column using Power App in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. First, click on Data Entity from here, then click on New button. So as you can see, date and time field. So I choose the wrong data type instead of selecting date and time. I mistakenly choose single line of text for the custom field. Now, let's go to the Make.Power Apps. Click on Solutions and select the solution in which you are working on. Then click on Data from here. So under the schema, click on Columns. You can see that the column in the name date and time, but its data type is single line of text. Now let's see if we can change the data type. So click on the date and time column. As you can see, the data type is single line of text. If I click on the data type drop down, I can see that date and time is not an option. So I cannot change it to a date and time field directly. Dataverse does allow you to change the format of data within the same data type. However, because this column is set to of single line of text, I can only change to a different format like auto number. But you cannot convert a text column into a date and time column. So since we cannot change the data type, we will need to delete this column and create a new one with the correct data type. Now click on cancel button and select the date and time column and click on remove drop down and then click delete from this environment and then click on delete button. However, you will see an error message saying fail to delete field date and time object dependency exists. Please review before deleting. So the reason we cannot delete the column is that it's being used somewhere in the system. To see where it being used, click on view dependencies. So here you can see that the column is being used in the data main form. Now click on the close button from here. Now go to the data. So under the data experience, click on forms from here and open the data main form. So now in the form, find the date and time column and click on delete button from here. After deleting it, click on save and publish button. Now that we removed the column from the form, now go back to the column. Now again click on data. So under the schema, again click on columns and select the date and time column and click on the remove drop down and then click delete from this environment and then click on delete button. So you will see a confirmation delete object successfully. That we removed the incorrect column. Let's create a new one. Now click on new column from here. Give the display name, date and time. This time select the correct data type. Click on the data type drop down and select date and time from here. And the format is date and time. Then click on save button to save the new column. Now again go back to the form. Now click on data. So under the data experience click on forms and open data main form. Now find the new date and time column you just created. So drag and drop this column into the main form. Now it is visible in the form. Once UV added, now click on save and publish button to apply the changes. Now go to the Sales Hub application and firstly refresh it. Now you will see date and time column in the form. So enter a date and time value. So I am selecting 5 and time is 8 early morning. So to ensure it work as expected. So in this video, we covered how to remove a column with the wrong data type and how to create a new column with the correct data type in the Dataverse. And we also showed how to add the new column to the form and test it. Thanks for watching.